Good day everyone, I am Grizel Asin, BSN1 RM, and we are the reporter of Kohlberg's Stages of Moral Development. So, Kohlberg's is born on October 15, 1927 in Bronxville, New York, and on 1949 begins his doctoral work at University of Chicago, and on 1948 enters the University of Chicago and completes his bachelor's degree psychology in 1 year, and on 1957 to 1958 completes his his doctoral research on the moral development of children, and so on. So, theory of moral development. Kohlberg's extend Piaget's theory proposed that moral development is a continual process that occurs throughout the lifespan. Used Piaget's storytelling technique to tell people stories involving moral dilemmas. He based his theory upon research and interviews with groups of young children. So let's talk about the 3 levels of moral development in Kohlberg's. Number 1 is pre-conventional. Age is 4 to 10. A person is motivated by obedience to authority. Involves little thought about morality. So, ito yung sinabi ni Sir na mas inuuna nila yung sarili nila. So, ang pre-conventional is may dalawang stage. Stage 1 is obedience and punishment. Children see rules as fixed and absolute. Obeying the rules is important to avoid punishment. So, ito yung mga bata na sinusunod talaga nila yung rules na binibigay sa kanila para hindi sila maparusahan. Stage number 2 is individualism and exchange. Children recognizes that there is not just one right view and that different individuals have different viewpoints. So, for example, ito yung ginagawa nila na para sa kanila is mapapakinabangan nila. For example, yung bata is naglinis or nagwalis. So nakita ng parent, so masaya sila or binigyan siya ng reward. So para sa kanila is tama yun. So ginagawa yun ng bata para bigyan siya ulit ng reward if gawin niya yung bagay na alam niyang tama. So parang ganun. So number 2 is conventional morality. So level 2 of moral development ni Kohlberg is conventional morality stage. Age 10 to 13. People focus on following social norms and customs, begin to internalize the moral standards of valued adult role models. Reasoning is based on the norms of the group to which the person belongs. So, ito yung sinabi ni Sir na people pleaser or good for the eye. So, ito yung ginagawa yung gusto ng ibang tao para lang magmukhang mabait sa iba or yun nga, good for the eye. So,
C. Stage 3 interpersonal relationship, also known as good boy, good girl orientation, focus on living up to social expectations and rules, emphasize on conformity, being nice, consider relationship, how choices influence. Stage 3 interpersonal relationship. If in this stage individual begin to value relationship and societal norms, ang good boy, good girl orientation ay nakatuon sa pagsusunod sa mga inaasahang ng lipunan at pagpapanatili ng mabuting relasyon. Ang mga desisyong moral ay batay sa pagiging mabait and considering how affect others. Stage 4. Maintaining social order. Consider society as a whole when making judgments. Focus is on maintaining law and order by following the rules, doing one's duty, and respecting authority. Maintaining social order in this stage, decisions are made with the welfare society in mind. Binibigyan diin ang pagsunod sa mga batas na pagtupad sa tungkulin at paggalang sa otoridad upang mapanatili ang kaayusan at kapayapaan. Stage 5. Social contract and individual rights. Begin to account the different values, opinion, and beliefs of other people. Laws are important, but members of the society should agree upon these standards. Social contract individual rights involves recognize the diverse values, opinion, and belief of others. Mahalaga ang mga batas, ngunit dapat ay sang-ayon ang mga miyembro ng lipunan maging magkatarungan at angkop sa lahat. Stage 6. In universal principle. Reasoning is based on universal ethical principle and abstract reasoning. Following this internalized principle of justice, even if it's against the law, moral judgment is a motivation by one's own conscience. Universal principle is based on reasoning derived from universal ethical principle and abstract thinking. Decisions are guided by internalized principle of justice even if they conflict with law. Ang moral na panghuhusga ay ginagabayan ng konsensya.
So, let's talk about the level 3 of Kohlberg's moral development, the post-conventional morality. Adolescence, adulthood, people look beyond convention to determine moral norms and appropriate social interactions. Judgment is based on self-chosen principles. Moral reasoning is based on individual rights and justice. So, dito is yung it talks about moral or law. So, ito yung iniisip nila yung mas nakakabuti para sa lahat, or like parang wala silang magawang makakasama sa iba, or matapak ang ibang tao, or like may magawang hindi maganda na nasa batas, parang ganan.